Trevor Noah, I am an African, I have sh*t in a hole. Trevor Noah's Netflix comedy special, Son of Patricia, made its debut just under a week ago and it continues to be a major talking point, with fans taking to social media to post commentary on some of the topics on the show. In one part of the show, Trevor talks about US President Donald Trump and how Trump makes derogatory comments about Mexicans, Muslims, and Africans. Referring to reports that Trump made about hosting shithole countries during a discussion with lawmakers at the White House earlier this year, Trevor said that it was one of his favorite lines from the president. That one was my favorite personally, because I am an African. I have shat in a hole, said Trevor on the Netflix show. He said that he is often confronted by people concerned about Trump's comments and relate a conversation he had with someone who asked if he wanted to pack up and leave America because of the horribly racist things Trump says. My friend, you don't go to South Africa to escape racism. That's where you go there to stock out. Are you kidding me? That's the one thing that reminds me of home, said Trevor.